Hey, how's it going, guys? It's KY Stacks. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a little bit different video. We have a first time unboxing on video on YouTube. This is from JM Bullion. But I do have some pieces out here before we start opening. Got the 2022 Chinese Panda. Really like these the design of the pandas. Then we got the 2017 Cougar Privy. And then we got this Australian Koala. These are pretty nice too, man. Beautifully made coins. Then we've got the Somali Elephant. This is the 2022. And lastly, we've got my first and only poured bar by Monarch Precious Metals. I actually have something coming in. It's a 1 ounce Monarch. I'm excited for that to come in. But let's get to it. Move these to the side up here. And get with this unboxing. Man, I've been waiting for this for a couple of days. JM Bullion is pretty good with their shipping dates. It takes pretty quickly, and I mean, really can't complain about everything. Nicely packaged. A bunch of stuff. Let's get it. I'm pretty sure I have a feeling of what this is. Hold on, let me take out the receipt. Wow. All right, so I've got a Sunshine Mint 1 ounce bar still in the plastic. I'm definitely not gonna take this one out. All the other ones that my other Sunshine Mint bars were already out of the plastic and they're milk spotting pretty badly, but this is nice. I have 4 of these actually. I can finish up. Well, not finish up, but now I have 5. As you can see, I mean, these have been toning out like crazy. But it's nice to have the 5th one to the collection. And we'll lay that right here. And lastly, this is my first 10 ounce bar, Asahi Refining. Wow. Oh, the reflection. This is a beautiful piece right here. Look at that. 999 fine silver, 10 short ounces. Wow, this is beautiful. I got a pretty good deal for this, but first of many. I really like these 10 ounce Troy bars. They're not too big, but they're big enough where you feel them in your hand. I mean, this is like, what, 2 iPads? 1 iPad? Sheesh, man, this is really nice. And to compare it to a 5 ounce bar, this is not the same brand, but I mean, just to get a comparison, I mean, look at it. It's a big difference. I wouldn't mind getting the 10 ounce in the Sunshine Mint as well. 10 ounce in the Sunshine Mint and the 10 ounce in the Monarch Precious Metals. Those are my next 2 ones that I'm planning on getting, or I hope I can get. But, oh man, I really like this. Wow. Well, that's it for today. Thank you guys for tuning into the video for my first unboxing of my first 10 troy ounce silver bar and my 5th 1 ounce Sunshine Mint bar. I have another package coming in pretty soon. Should be coming in today or tomorrow. We'll be doing another unboxing. But that's it. See ya.